silver trim, fighting out of it, representing his home of Zama, Kanagawa, Japan. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the hard-hitting, undefeated, introducing Naoya
Wrestling in the blue corner, 31 victories, no defeats, and 1 draw. David Picasso.
Receive instructions in the dressing room, so you know what I expect. Good, quick, professional fight. Protect yourself at all time and listen to my commands. Punches are good here, punches are good here. Good luck, touch up.
Being named as a potential opponent.
Bantamweight champion, round 1, scheduled for 12.
Corey, MJ.
Came straight to fight Kameda. Yeah, I think that's not the right game plan.
Introduction, NAOYA INOUE did the Aaron Pryor gloved fist point to let him know it is.
You think you can beat the monster, you gotta beat this guy first. Think about going over to
Monster time. Now, the tagline for this fight is, be careful what you ask for. Like you just said, only one of these people is right.
Oh, this is a great test for Picasso on his rise right now. He's got explosiveness.
In their assertion. But the one thing we do know, Corey, is that this is the biggest showdown between a monster and an MJ.
Because he's getting hit by Kameda, especially with his right hands. There it is. Picasso, the 31 victories already.
Ability to close ground in an instant, just the
Yes.
speed to step in with that heavy jab.
Yeah, and you'll see.
Also echoed what many fighters on this undercard told us this week, that he's honored to be setting the table.
Since we saw in that moment, Morgan, one of the many calling cards of Inoue.
His corner's not happy with that. Yeah, you're right. Coach is right.
Akhmadaliev has spent the last 2 years telling anyone who will listen that NAOYA INOUE has been.
Even against Ijun Kim, not exactly an electric start, but Inoue.
Picasso is just walking in forward, no jab.
Maybe a little bit busier than usual here in the opening round.
Yeah, look how fast that.
Staying right in front of Kameda. Kameda can get off at any given moment, like he did right there, and land those shots.
Talked about his Olympic and amateur pedigree. The question that a lot of observers had coming into this fight, Morgan, is
He's blocking and parrying more of Kameda's shots as well. But he's also lowered his output, Picasso, this round, and sometimes. He's trying to find something out. He's trying to figure me out. He hasn't yet. That's what he means.
Akhmadaliev probing with that jab, but again, when Inoue answers with his jab.
And that left hook from Kameda. But they're both.
And Akhmadaliev make up that perceived gap in terms of explosiveness.
Yes.
Not necessarily overall athleticism, as you said, but quickness.
I saw Kameda do those swinging with the.
You can do defensively in boxing is just to step out.
Yes.
But Inoue can do that and be right in your face.
Yeah.
Picasso. He's an artiste, Abner. He takes his time. He do the hard part, which is
Milliseconds later.
Right, Corey, and mass even at 122 pounds. Quick 1-2 from Inoue. But Corey, if you've seen his strength,
not an easy mark for Picasso to tee off on it. When Picasso misses,
and Inoue acknowledges as much. He said the only thing you could say that is intimidating about Akhmadaliev is his physicality and power.
Kameda makes him pay. Well, Kameda's got the hand speed. He's very comfortable fighting on the inside.
He's in the snow. So like raw physical conditioning is never Akhmadaliev's problem.
The Mexican national university's netty. Like you said, he stood his ground. He had some good rounds in that fight.
But here you see Inoue answering quickly, emphatically.
Right-handed body
Through this fight, which is no given at this point.
from Akhmadaliev. That one broke through.
You saw how quick the reply came from Inoue.
Oh, bien, ahí otra vez. A ver qué puede hacer Vargas. El colombiano trata de escapar, no lo deja el Rey Picasso. Oh. Oh, y reposta con un gancho venenoso al hígado. Le van a quedar ina.
そうですね。上下の内訳も素晴らしいですね。
早い前後の動き。
いいですよね。
はい。
非常にいいと思いますね。
あるいは何か関係といったそんな井上の姿が。
Derecha, izquierda, Picasso y la media. La larga se la deja Mejía para que entre y lo recibe rápidamente Picasso. El Popeye parece que no quiere más, pero le dice: aquí también da vuelta el río, me faco yo también y te encuentro yo también. Lo hacía ayer oficial el presidente del organismo. Me llama la atención lo de Luis Neri con
Que son más resistentes al sudor.
Sí, no, no funciona para eso, pero creo que a los mexicanos nos ha costado trabajo entenderlo.
Left hook. That should be it. Picasso. Nice exchange. Right to the body. That hurts him as he puts his right hand down. Fifth round winding down. Cabello is wobbly. Trying to get off the rope. Out. I got him. That looks like Cabello, and the corner has a towel, and there it is. It's over.
Alta la combinación Alan David del Rey. Que tengamos peleas.
Esquina, pidiéndole que golpee abajo. Buena combinación. Abajo, en medio y arriba.
Me gustaría que tirar el upper y luego tiene el gancho por abajo, ¿me entiendes?
Ver pelear a Picasso es un deleite, es una noche de fiesta.
Aprovecha Alan David del Rey Picasso.
A fearsome flurry. He's got him with a left against Rodriguez. Here comes Inoue. Oh, he's got it to the body. Oh, what a shot. Rodriguez. Surely he won't be taken.